The Globe Experience. Subscribe SD Click YouTube. The globe is one of the most unique, spectacular golden sphere that tops at Faisaliah Tower. The ticket costs 69 Riyadh to experience the view at the observation deck and is paid at the lobby of the globe. The Globe is a sought-after fine dining restaurant, but we didn't dine there. We just want to experience the view. Faisaliah Tower is not as high as the Kingdom Center, but the experience is more appealing compared to 16 the Sky Bridge. The observation deck has a wide space where you are free to roam around. There are benches to sit and offers a dramatic panoramic views of Riyadh city. Enjoy our tour of the place and happy viewing!